You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Oga Harry. Dago.
Kedu?
Adim no ma ke ki me.
Joma. Adim mama.
Ebi kwan.
My wife?
Yes.
Let me call her for you.
Call her for me. You go Chago. So Iberi have violated our rules. Ebi,
Joma. I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. I came to inform you that the meeting that is supposed to hold tomorrow has been shifted to the day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Ijoma,
Ijoma, please, don't tell anybody what you saw. Please. My husband, he is too stubborn. I told him to eat the food inside. I didn't know when he came outside.
Listen to yourself. Ebere, you have betrayed us.
Hey.
Come now.
Ijoma, ezigbo oyemo, Okwakam. You know I will never lie to you. He has refused to touch me for a long time now. Yes. So I said, let me give him small food. Just small food. This morning, only this morning. You know how I like this thing. You know how I like. I love the way he used to do it to me. That's why.
Iberi.
You are my friend. That's why I'm telling you.
Iberi.
Hey.
Hey. Listen to yourself. So you cannot succeed without doing. You will die if you do not do.
You know how I love this thing. Alam. IJ, my friend. IJ, is a boy. Harry will not kill you in this house. Inside the house. Harry! What did you do? I told you to eat food inside the house. Yes, but she saw you. Why are you doing this to me? She said, "Come on, you look. Where are the hitcher?"
I will make it up tonight.
You make it up tonight.
Forget them.
She will not go and tell everybody. How do you like this, Harry? I'm not happy. Just leave it. I'm not happy.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Hope you like the food.
I enjoyed it too. I enjoyed the food. In fact, you are the best cook in this village.
Thank you.
You see, each time I look at you, hey, your beauty, I can't even find the right words to express how beautiful you are. But come on, this promise and fail is getting too much. Come and see me now, visit me.
Don't worry, I will surprise you one day. I promise.
You surprise me one day.
I promise.
I can't wait. I can't wait. That day, I will give you head.
Yeah, this one, head.
That day, you know the meaning of head. No problem now. Take care.
Alright, see you.
Come now. Don't go just alone now. Stop disgracing your family members. Be romantic for us. Yeah, just give me, they say how you both do. Love you, baby. You give just one waka go.
In this place, what if they see us?
Who will see us? People are busy with their daily activities now. They are not that jobless. If they are busy, nobody is around here. Nobody will see us. Oh, bye. I will not bath today. Bye. Oh, baby. I can't wait for the surprise.
Know the format, to get the money. I dey use the format, I dey use the format. I say, guy man, I know the format,
So Iroka thinks she's smart. I will teach her a lesson. I'm not fair.
Cause I know the format, you. I know the format, you. They use the format.
Wait. Please slow down. Uluka, I am tired. Where are we going? As you see me right now, I can't going to follow you like this. Even when Jesus Christ said follow people, people still question him, not to talk of you. Where are we going?
I am the one that came to the house to call you. Trust me. Just follow me. We are almost there.
Eh? I'm saying this thing because I'm weak. I have not eaten since I'm very, very hungry. You understand me? I can't be checking like that.
I know, but I'm the one that asked you to follow me. And I know why. I don't want to tell you anything till you get there. And we are almost there. Whatever strength you have now, just gather it small. Oh, it will be replenished. Come.
I know I'm following you.
Just come. You will not regret it. Still, you are doing that. You will do something.
Cause I know the format, you. I know the format, you. They use the format, you. They use the format. I say, guy man.
Look at what is all this was?
Huh? Hold on. Let me be sure nobody's following us.
Look at this thing. If you want to tell me something. Tell me. If you want to show me.
Where did you see him? We're talking. Huh? No. Come. You understand what is happening? I'm going to eat too. Eat. You'll be asking questions. The owner will come.
Where did you get it from? You caught me now. You caught me. No, let's not sit together now.
My own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format, you. I know the format, you. I be graduate, no be busy, no be mouth, oh. I get interview for a walk, oh. When I talk of sugar,
Idoka,
I don't want to.
where's my pot of yam? Meaning, I want my pot of yam.
Opurumpale. Just stop it now. It's too early.
I know what you can do. You collected my pot of yam. Ndoka, give me my pot of yam.
I took your pot of yam. Choma, you're blocking my way. Choma, why are you blocking my way? I said I did not take your pot of yam.
Igaboya.
Choma, I'm just coming back. Why are you blocking me? I said I'm just coming back. I've not been around. How did I pick your pot of yam?
You lie. Ndoka, you came back. You came back when I was washing plates. You saw me. You peeped. I saw you. You now went back. When I left, you went to pick up my pot of yam.
Stop this thing. Why you always hold I come time.
I'm hungry. How can I cook and finish? You come and carry everything to eat. You can keep my pot of yam.
Oh, can you get me this woman? Can you get me this woman? I'll give pot of yam. I cannot
be hungry. I want to eat. You can carry my pot of yam and eat. You can give my pot of yam. You can give me my pot of yam. You can give me my pot of yam.
Why should Deborah behave like that? I thought she's responsible. Right. Ebere disappointed us. We are busy starving our husbands while she's busy feeding hers. She betrayed us because of sex. Oh,
that's very bad of her. Very, very bad of her. But, I mean, there's nothing we can...
You don't know, Gini. Tina. Tina, what are you doing here? Welcome, Bogide. Tina, welcome, Bogide. Tina, what are you doing in my house by this time of the day?
We are not quarreling.
We are not quarreling. You are deceiving my wife. You are confusing my wife. If not, what are you doing in my house by this time of the day, if not gossiping?
Emenike, what is the problem? What is it?
Tina, leave my house. I hate repeating myself. Tina, get out of my house.
We are not quarreling.
We are not quarreling. Okay, relax, I'm coming.
Tina, wow. Tina, Biko. Please go. Go. Makandi Obu. Emenike.
I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format to get the money. I they use the format I they use the format. I say guy man, I know the format I know the format when others they suffer.
Angela, where have you been? Where did you go, sir?
No, what is it? No, Peter, what is it this morning? Where did I go to? As your child now? No, I no longer have freedom of movement again. No, I can't move because I'm married to you, Peter.
Well,
Peter, what is it?
that is not my business.
What is it?
Angela, I don't need to ask you who took the money because I know it's you. What I want to know now is, what did you do with the money I kept in the drawer?
Wait. Which money are you talking about? Oh, the 5,000 naira.
Yes, the 5,000. The whole lot of 5,000.
I used it. Is that why you are shouting? No. Is that why you stopped me? No. You want to start crying this morning because of 5,000 naira. Peter, ordinary 5,000. No. You want the whole village to come and know that a grown man like you is crying because of 5,000. Oh, is that how shameless you are?
Angela, you are calling 5,000 ordinary. Do you have it? Angela, do you have it? Do you have it? I'm talking to you. You're walking away. Eh?
Peter, you just answered me.
Angela.
Morning, Bogide. I was told about your secret affair with my husband, to the extent that you cook for him. Me, Iruka.
Cook for your husband. Who told you that?
Are you crazy? Are you mad? How dare you question me? Are you mad? Your friend Akonam told me everything. But next time I will see you close to my husband. Don't try it again, no. Don't try it again. Anoman.
Akonam. Angela, your husband did this to you. Look at your face, oh. It's swollen.
Joma, you see, Peter. Peter must suffer. Angela must make sure he's suffer.
It's okay. Sorry. Sorry. Look at your face, oh. Stop talking. It's going to pain you. Hey, sorry. See, you need to join our meeting. You need to join our meeting. I've been telling you this. You need to join our meeting. You need to join our meeting. Angela, no. Our meeting has transformed to another level. Oh. It's not the usual one, you know. This time around, we discuss the welfare of our women in general as it concerns our right in the society. You need to join us. Listen, if you were with us, we would have interfered in this matter.
I will think about it.
You don't need to think about anything. Listen to me. Let me tell you, you don't need to depend on your husband for everything. You need to do something to support him. Yes.
So you mean I'm not doing anything?
No.
I'm not doing anything.
You know what I mean? Okay, listen to me. Our meeting is next tomorrow. I will come to the house and carry you so that two of us will go together. Angela, are you going to go? I will still come. You hear? Sorry, oh. Her husband did this to her. Hey! Her husband did this to her. See how her face is swollen. Ndoka, he cannot even touch me. Hey!
her try it again. The whole of this village will hear what I will do to her. I have dealt with her.
What did you do?
Your mistress. Go and ask her what I did to her this morning. Go and ask her.
And who is my mistress?
Ah! You think I don't know? The girl that cooks for you. You think I don't know? No wonder you don't complain of food again in this house.
Iman George Ajoga. Since you have refused to cook for your husband, she is assisting you and she will continue to assist you.
Menike, you should be ashamed of yourself. Okay. Menike, you should be ashamed of yourself.
I am not ashamed of myself. So why are you bothering yourself?
You're a big fool.
Okay.
Big for nothing idiot.
You think I don't know why you're angry? You are angry because I did not service you last night. Konji will kill you.
Who cares? I don't care. I don't need it. You think I care about that your 40 seconds church? I don't want it, Menike. I don't want it.
Okaziamaka, stop pretending. You need it. In fact, you can't do without it. But guess what? We are on strike.
Just sit there. I don't even want it. Who wants it? I don't. This is your 40 seconds. You don't even satisfy me, so forget it. I was even pretending about you. But now I will show you the real me. Okay. I don't want it.
Okaziamaka,
give it.
Are on strike.
I don't want it. I don't want your 40 seconds shoshi. I don't want it.
Pimple will pull your face.
Go and sit there.
We are on strike. Konji Atabugi. Man George Ajoga Onyala.
Iruka, leave me alone now.
Akonam, I will not leave you. Not until you tell me what you told Nkechi about me.
Why angry? It's not true you're sleeping with her husband.
How is that your business? Is he your brother? Or is he your husband?
He's not my brother.
I'm not sleeping with your own husband.
He's not my brother. He's not my husband. But he's someone's husband.
Akonam,
go and marry your own
husband.
It's
not your business.
It's not your
business.
It's not your business. Husband,
see me see wahala. Obasagi. 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 Akonam.
Ebere, we got a report from one of us that you violated one of our rules. True or false?
It's true. I gave my husband food because I needed his service.
Hey! No. Meaning that you paid again. No, you paid again, Ebere. You paid again. Hey!
Ebere, I'm so disappointed at you. I did not expect such character from you. Tina, she must apologize to the house. Yes.
Ebere, apologize. I said apologize. Ebere, apologize.
Yes. Ebere, please. You need to apologize to the house so we can move on.
Tina, I'm sorry. I will not apologize to anybody. Mommy and me.
Hey!
Ebere.
Yes. That is a mark of disrespect to this house.
Ebere, why are you being so stubborn over an act you admitted to have committed? I will not apologize to anybody because all of us here are guilty of the same offense.
Excluding me.
Please shut up, let me talk. Is it because I'm the only one that was caught? Good. Did you not violate the same rule?
Ebere?
No! Tell the house what your husband was doing when I passed your house yesterday. Cherenu, hold on. Same goes to Nkechi. Nkechi, you gave your husband food this morning to stop him from going to eat Iruka's food. Why are you now all pointing and accusing fingers at me?
Thank you.
Alone. Why? Makageni, why? Why are you my dream?
Cause I know the format you, I know the format you. I dey use the format you, I dey use the format. I say, hey man, I know the format you, I know the format you. When others they go suffer you, my own is just to popular you. Cause I know the format you, I know.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say? You leave my house. Ebere, tell me what you have to say. What do you have to say? Say it, let me hear it. Say it, let me hear it. Ebere, say it, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Yes, I will tell you. Tell me, let me hear it. I am disappointed at you. I am disappointed at you. It is you that should be disappointed at yourself. Joma, upon everything I begged you. I begged you, Joma, upon everything you went ahead and reported the matter. Why? Makagene, yes, I did it.
I did it because I am not like you people.
You're very wicked.
Ebere.
You are very wicked. You pretend to be good, but you are not.
Ebere, yes, I am not good. Is it because I condone your excesses?
What nonsense excesses are you talking about? You betrayed your own friend. Onya Afonjo. Afọ jọrọ gị njọ. Afọ tara gị mmiri.
Afọ nke gị jọrọ njọ. Afọ nke gị jọrọ njọ.
Ekwensu.
Ajọ mmụọ.
Atahangi. Useless woman.
Useless
now
woman.
That you have said it, what did you gain? Kedu ihe wetere na ya? What did you gain? Go! Anu mpama. Go! Anu atolo.
Go!
Ewu.
Go!
I don't blame you.
Go. Onya Afonjo. You have said it now. Can you go now? Please go. Go, 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 go. You think I'm like you people? Please, I'm not like you people. Go.
God has to do what?
Go.
Uku akoko.
Don't come to
Uku
my house
nketa.
again.
Uku
Go.
nama.
Please,
Uku ezi. Oh, hipo.
But they no be firewood.
Oh, hipo.
I cannot come and kill myself. When others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format to get the money. I they use the format I they use the format. I say guy man, I know the format I know the format when others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format I know the format I they use the format I they use the format. I say guy man, I know the format I know the format when others they suffer, my own is just to bubble.
This is what my son uses to deceive himself, combing his hair everywhere he goes. I'm going to seize it and he will not see it again.
For a walk, when I talk of sugar, I don't want to suffer. Cause I get the format to get the money. I they use the format I they use the format. I say guy man, I know the format I know the format when others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format.
Whoever you are, don't prank me. I hate pranks. It will not end well. Don't prank me.
I say guy man, I know the format I know the format when others they suffer, my own is just to bubble. Cause I know the format I know the format
Papa, America, what is it?
Where is my comb?
Don't just disturb me.
Where is my comb?
Which comb is that? Are you talking about?
Papa, give me my comb.
Which comb? Now, did you give me any comb?
Do we have ghosts in this house?
Don't let your hand touch me, America.
Papa,
don't just try it.
Give me my comb.
Which comb? Did you give me comb?
You are the one that took that comb, yes. You are the only one that is capable of removing that comb from where I kept it.
Are you out of your mind? Did you see me with your comb?
Papa.
Don't just leave me alone.
Papa,
just leave me alone.
You will not move an inch until you give me my comb.
Emenike.
You heard me loud and clear.
Allow me to go.
You will not move an inch, Papa, until you give me my comb. What's your business? What? Why? Okay. What will you use that comb for?
What will I do with your comb? Am I using comb? If you know where you keep your comb, go and look for it. Don't just disturb me again.
Papa.
America, leave me alone.
Papa.
Leave me alone.
You want to ride drug?
America. The whole community we assemble here because of
Administration community.
Papa. Yeah, America. If I lose my temper, you'll not be happy.
Which of the temper? This little one. Which temper? Where is the temper now? Papa. Iwe wegi ntiegi fe. Iwe weze mwa mboge mbo. Give me my comb.
Emenike, allow me to leave.
You will not move an inch until you provide my comb. And after 5 minutes, Papa, after 5 minutes, if you don't give me my comb, we could call you here.
Why are you waiting for 5 minutes? Let it be even 10 minutes. No, you can't do me anything. Emenike,
give my comb. Papa.
Okay. Oh, you can Nana. Hold me here. Be here. I'm here.
And after 5 minutes, I will tell you call you. 5 minutes now, you will wake up in a very good hospital. Just 5 minutes now. How people get on, Father? Anyway, search me anywhere you want to search. Search. There's no come with me. I don't know anything about your phone. 5 minutes, you know. Come with 10 minutes. If you're not, you may have to come. What type of problem? You will wake up in a hospital. Papa. On a search. And if you don't see it, I will deal with you. Yeah, Papa. If you don't see this come, I will deal with you. Papa. If you don't see this come, Papa. Papa. Anybody that will know America, tell America to meet me here. In America, come with your body. Papa. Not with me. Papa. Before Abraham, Jesus was born. Before Abraham, Jesus was born. Give me my phone. What is all this problem? You give me your phone. Those women are unpredictable. My wife used to give me food secretly. All of a sudden, she stopped. I have applied all the tricks. I don't, which format I never use. Lie to lie, she lock up.
Those women are heartless. The same thing with me. Do you know that my wife even refused to talk to me when she came back from their meeting yesterday? That's so terrible.
They are very heartless. They will never make heaven. In fact, I pray that all our wives will go to hell.
My brother, hell is sure for them. Let me tell you what they are trying to do. We are not supposed to be discussing this. We are supposed to be busy making money. But these women now have disfocused us from what we are supposed to be doing. We are here now talking rubbish. They want us to die so that they will come and sew that their long gown and be doing like this. Like me, I will not die. I don't know about you.
God forbid.
I don't know about you. They want you to die so that they will wear that their long white and be doing like this on that day.
I will not die.
I'm not dying anything.
I will not die.
I will not die. Even the Bible says that I will live to declare the words of the Lord.
Where in the Bible?
Me too.
It's inside the Bible.
Where in the Bible?
We're talking about this death thing. I almost died some days ago. In fact, if not for the timely intervention of Unduka here, I almost died. Hunger nearly finished me. But Unduka just came to my rescue with some bad old, you see the yam and the oil. I felt it in the spirit. I ate it and I was very okay. Unduka, tell them how you did it.
It's a very simple strategy. Just a little cleverness. You have to be up and doing. The major thing is this. The moment in backyard, I discovered a lot of discrepancies around the pot area. So I took initiative, and next thing I was in that uncompleted building.
Shut up! You stole your wife's yam. Simple. Why are you speaking English?
Papa, why using English to back it up?
You stole your wife's yam.
You stole it. You stole it.
You're a baby thief.
I cannot eat what was stolen.
It's not stolen. I'm the man of the house.
You're a baby thief.
No.
You stole your wife's yam.
Why will you steal yam and give to me? Oh God, I hope I have not sinned. Forgive me, Lord, for he does not know what he has done. Listen, the Bible said, "Thou shalt not steal." It's in the 10 Commandments. It's not far from the Bible. The 10 Commandments.
Where?
Around that 10 Commandments.
Where?
But when you were eating this thing, was your mouth too full to even acknowledge God that?
My brother, I thought it was manna. He said, "I will provide manna from heaven in time of your need."
Where?
Around that Psalm side.
Around the Psalm side.
Very close to Matthew, my brother. God. You know the Bible.
What is he talking about?
I go talk my own talk now. King James is there. Every Bible is there. Why will you steal and give to me? Now I'm feeling cheated. God, please forgive me. What is that? No wonder Jesus Christ died in the midst of thieves.
Tell us the strategy to use.
When Jesus was on the cross, thieves were by his side. Look at you now, you're by my side. That's a thief. I refuse to be here. Let me manage Emenike.
I didn't. That's a man you used to eat that yam. You see this guy that you serve? Who is here? Where there? I didn't. Who can name my wife? Yeah? Kekime. Hey.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Please, is Hygienist around?
Oh, no, he's out. As a matter of fact, I didn't meet him when I came back from my shop.
Oh. Hey.
Is there any problem?
Yes. No. Oh. I just came to see him. You know, I wanted to see him.
Like I said, he's not around. I'll give him the message when he comes back.
Biko, it's very important.
Okay.
Maybe, but I really wanted to see him. So I'll come back I'll come back later, but please tell him that I came to see him.
Like I said, I will give him the message.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. And because, sorry, excuse me.
Okay.
When he comes, I mean when he returns and you meet him, because him, I came personally to see him.
But I said I got your message. I got your message.
Good.
No problem.
Just tell him. You will understand.
I will tell him.
Come on, be going. I'm in a hurry actually.
Be going,
I'm in a hurry. Oh,
bye-bye.
Biko.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Here. You can't go back too much. Food in the kitchen and I went to answer Nduka. Immediately I got back, I didn't see my pot of food again. Yes, so it was gone. It vanished into thin air.
Hey! Hey! I'm surprised to hear this from you. The same thing happened to me this morning. Hey! My pot vanished. The food vanished. Everything, vroom, vroom, vroom. I have not seen my pot up until now. Eh? Hey! 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 Hey!
Do you know that Ebere complained of the same thing this morning?
So what are you going? But wait. Are you sure our husbands are not behind this? Because my husband doesn't complain of hunger anymore. Are you sure?
Hey! Hey! Yes! Nne! You are right. Yes! And we need to have another meeting so that we can know how to tackle this issue. Yes.
That means we have to see Tina immediately.
Let us go now.
Why we call this meeting is because our men are dying young. And we know why. It is due to stress and lack of respect from these women.
Yes.
So we are saying we do not want to die young. Enough is enough. I don't know about them, they can die, but me, I cannot die because the Bible says that I will live and declare the word of God. Bakos Sentole.
See where you?
You understand?
Hey.
Emenike, give me space.
Hey.
Emenike, let me land.
You know, I'm not Kojo.
Emenike, talk.
If I slap you, you go focus. You get mad. We resemble your church members. Don't use that format here.
It's okay.
See, look at them. And I shine. Amaka Nigeria, I got more. My problem with women is that they will keep shouting, equal rights, justice, gender equality, what a man can do, a woman can do more better. But when it comes to bill, NEPA bill, man we chest it. School fees, man we chest it. House rent, man we chest it.
Whoa.
45, 55. The man will die.
That's the problem.
Look at this, my brother. Young boy. Oh. Just because he's married. Look at white beards everywhere. Is white beards in your lineage? Abu, they want to kill my brother. But I've said to myself, lie, you people will not kill me. We will change everything. Do you know the annoying part? When the man dies out of frustration, they will now sew big gown as if they are coming for beauty pageant.
Can you imagine?
So I am proposing women should start dying first. And when they die, I'm not done. When they die, we will so abada burial doings. And we will be upgraded from beer to champagne.
That's it.
Yes. One of you will kill me.
It is a lie.